Hey guys, this is Shraddha
Hi.
and her mother Trupti. Her mother will show us 3 summer drinks here. So the very first drink, which is shikanji, which will require all of these ingredients. So here we need lemon, sabja, jeera powder, coriander powder, chaat masala, pepper, sugar, salt, and this is black salt. So lemon is the main ingredient here. We are making shikanji, but since this is a lockdown, this is a very crucial pandemic, so here she will first sanitize her hand, and everybody should sanitize their hand before making anything. So, and this is the first easy to make and with the available ingredients in your house itself. So what we are going to take is, we are going to take 2 teaspoon sugar in a glass. We are taking 2 teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of salt. She'll take a pinch of salt, add a pinch of salt, half teaspoon of black salt, two teaspoon of coriander powder, that is dhana powder. If you don't have dhana powder, you can roast the dhana simply and grind it, and you can use 2 teaspoon of dhana powder here. A pinch of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, roasted jeera powder. Here we have roasted the jeera and then grinded it. So 1 teaspoon of jeera powder is required. A pinch of chaat masala. If you don't have chaat masala, you can go with jaljeera also. And actually here mint was also required, but we didn't have mint, so we are not using it. Next main ingredient is lemon. We have to squeeze the lemon. You can squeeze it directly. We'll squeeze half of a lemon. We'll put, and for best result, I'll tell you what to do. First we'll put water in it, cold water. She's bringing the water. We put the cold water. Mix it well. Mix it well till the sugar dissolves, which we usually do. This is just a usual take on your Nimbu Sharbat by adding some extra things which is available at your home. We'll mix it well till the sugar dissolves. For best result, you can put the squeezed lemon into it. But now we'll add sabja to it, because since it is a summer time, sabja is very good for your health during summers. It will keep your body cool. And last thing which we'll do is we'll put the squeezed lemon for the best result with ice cubes in it. Lemon. Squeezed lemon. She'll put the squeezed lemon. She's putting out the squeezed lemon entirely into it. The best result, it will absorb all the flavors of lemon and your shikanji is now ready. You can decorate it by putting the lemon on the side. So this is our lemon shikanji, or you can say shikanji, made out of a lemon, and this is very refreshing. And this drink is, you can make it with a very basic ingredients in your home. So this was our shikanji. This was our first drink. We are making the next two drinks.